Hi, my name is Samantha. I love slime, and today I'm going to be participating in Michael's Slime Challenge. I'm going to be making Halloween decorative slime. I have slime activator, 2 bottles of clear glue, and then I also have some glitter. All of these products are from Michael's except for this bowl and this spoon. So let's start making the slime. First, we need to add our clear glue. Now we are going to add our slime activator little bit by little bit so we don't overactivate it. Now I'm going to add some water so it's more thin when it clears up. And then you're going to get your hands in and knead it. Add some white glitter, black glitter, some orange glitter. I made it a jiggly slime.
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag MakeItWithMichaels.